Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales strategies with SurveyMonkey step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the SurveyMonkey website. Log into your SurveyMonkey account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Survey button on the dashboard. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch with a blank survey. Give your survey a descriptive title related to your sales strategies. Next, add questions that will help you gather valuable insights from your respondents. Use a mix of question types, such as multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended questions. Make sure to keep your questions clear and concise to avoid confusion. After adding your questions, review the survey for clarity and relevance. You can customize the design and layout of your survey to match your brand. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab. Select how you would like to distribute your survey, such as via email, social media, or a web link. Set a deadline for responses to ensure timely feedback. Before launching, preview your survey to ensure it looks and functions as expected. Once everything is ready, publish your survey and start collecting responses. Monitor the responses through the SurveyMonkey dashboard as they come in. After the survey period ends, analyze the collected data for key insights. Utilize the results to identify trends in customer preferences and needs. Develop or adjust your sales strategies based on the insights gathered from the survey. Finally, share the findings with your team and implement necessary changes to your sales approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.